All right, this is a layman's review on the Heart Medication Vascepa and a generic that just came out recently. Apparently there's a lot of interest in these two drugs. And first thing that I noticed, Vascepa, which is made by Amarin, comes in a sort of a round bottle. And then this icosapent ethyl, which is apparently made by Hikma, it comes in sort of a, I guess what reminds me of is a baby powder bottle, more of an oblong rectangular bottle. So that's the first difference. There's a color difference in red and blue. I don't know if that makes a difference. And then the other thing that jumped out at me, for example, is when you look at the expiration date. I don't know if it shows up here on the camera, but in this case with the Vascepa bottle, it says February 02 of 2024. And then when I looked for a similar expiration date here on the Hikma, which is the generic, it says expiration date of September of 2022. And so clearly, from a shelf life perspective, the brand Vascepa has a greater shelf life than the generic, so for whatever that's worth. So let's open it up and let's take a look at the difference in sizes. So again, here's an example of the different lid sizes. From a measurement perspective, this lid is about 2 inches, and then the generic brand is just about 1.5 inches. So let's cut into these things and let's see what we have. Both are sealed. Neither have been altered or opened. Just gonna cut this here like this. I'll bend it over like that. And do the same here with the Hikma. And so right away I can tell that there's a difference in, so here's put that here. This is the Vascepa pill. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the words Vascepa are right on the pill. I don't know if that comes up. I've just got a simple business card here. I'm gonna put this here because I wanted to see if there was a difference in color. And then the generic, they look similar. This simply has a number on it. So the brand Vascepa has Vascepa on it, and this has the number 54648. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the brand number. In terms of color, they look similar. There's going to be some interest in the measuring, so let's do that. So I'll start with the Vascepa, and looks like the Vascepa pill is 1 inch in length by about 1/4 inch in width. So we'll just call it 1 by 0.25. And then the generic pill appears to be the same length, 1 inch. Let me just put it side by side. Side by side, it looks like Vascepa is just a little bit longer, so they're not the same length, which isn't surprising because it would be probably an infringement issue. And it's a little bit fatter than a 1/4 inch, so maybe about, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 or 5/16, I guess. So in terms of size, the color of the generic looks to be clearer, but then again, not exactly sure. So again, Vascepa with the words Vascepa on it, and generic with the words, with the letters 54648. Let's see if that's on all of these. Yeah, 54648. One more thing. I'm interested to know if there's a difference in what's in them. So first, let's open up the Vascepa. This is, again, this is the Vascepa pill. I'm just using my iPhone here, so I don't know if it's a, but we'll just cut this open. We'll see what comes out here. Ooh, just sprayed. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's, see the dripping? Okay, so that would be the Vascepa pill. And then let's check the generic. Again, this is clearly unscientific. Similar in, this too has a liquid. I can't really tell the difference in the Hikma. The generic does have a different smell to it. I can't really smell anything with the Vascepa. Maybe a little bit of a fish, but really not very, almost negligible in terms of smell. But the generic definitely has a stronger smell to its pill, to the content. So this definitely has more of a fishy smell than this, which I would imagine is probably significant in the component makeup. So again, hope this helps, hope this answers questions, and there you have it. Peace out, everybody.